Hi. Today I would like to talk about beauty or handsomeness or attractiveness. हम कितने आकर्षक लगते हैं, हम कितने सुंदर लगते हैं, ये हमारे लिए एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ होती है. We uh, we give a lot of importance to how whether we are good looking or not, or how attractive we are, and we feel that our friends and everybody is attracted only to our physical beauty. But what we do not understand is that it is our spiritual beauty, the beauty of our soul, which lends beauty to our physical body. If our intentions are good, if our thoughts are good, if we are aligned to the love, to receiving the love, the unconditional love of the universe, and all the hurt, all the sorrow, all the times when we feel pain, agony, hurt, when people do not, they cheat us or they go against us, all that is healed by sometimes the universe, sometimes the people around us. And when we are aligned and when we do the right things, I feel that the people around us also behave in a different way towards us, and we get replenished. Our agony, our hurt is healed. It is जो हमारे जो चोट पहुंचते रहती है हमारे मन में, जो चोट और जो दुख होता है, वो अगर हम भगवान के प्यार को पाने के लिए हम उत्सुक हैं, या हमें विश्वास है, और हम जैसे पेड़ पौधों से, जानवरों से, कुत्तों से, चिड़ियों से, जो भी है, हम प्यार पाते हैं, या हमें एक आभास होता है कि भगवान, एक हमारा एक पारस्परिक एक संपर्क होता है भगवान से, और जो भी हमारा जो दुख होता है, या जो जिन्होंने हमें घाव पहुंचाया, दुख पहुंचाया, या जो भी कुछ कष्टदायक हुआ है, या हम कुछ करना चाहते हैं उसमें असफल हो जाते हैं, तो वो सब एक मलहम की तरह, वो सब मतलब जो भगवान का प्यार है जो हमें मिलता है, ये जानवरों से और पक्षियों से और चिड़ियों से और ये तितलियों से, और जो सुंदर जो चीज़ें हम देखते हैं हमारे चारों तरफ, अगर उस पर हम फोकस करें, उस पर हम अपना नज़र डालें, और हम बहुत शुक्रगुजार हो, धन्यवाद दे भगवान को कि आपने हमारी ज़िंदगी में कितनी सुंदरता दी है, कितना प्यार दिया है, तो वो सुंदरता हमारे मन में, हमारे दिमाग में, हमारे विचारों में, और हमारा जो दूसरों के साथ जो एक संपर्क है, उसमें वो सुंदरता ढल जाता है, और फिर हम सुंदर लगने लगते हैं. वही हमारी असली सुंदरता है. That is the spiritual beauty, because when we are aligned to the universe and we become higher vibrational, and we have a very grateful attitude towards the universe or God or our higher self, and while doing something we keep praying that please help us, please help us, and then we are conscious, we experience the help which comes to us, we experience the beautiful feelings, the emotions which are a result of that flow of unconditional love which comes from above, and that lends beauty to us, that lends beauty to our thoughts, our intentions, our the way we behave with our with the people around us, our relationships, and that is what gives beauty to us, that is what lends beauty to us. I don't think makeup or this facials and no, it's okay. I'm not criticizing you. The facials are good, and you must maintain yourself. And if you feel like, you must definitely apply makeup and all. But the true beauty, like if a person thinks that I'm dark and I don't have I don't have beautiful eyes, or I don't have beautiful nose, or I don't have well-shaped lips, or my face is so ugly and my hair is so bad and my figure is so bad. But just change your focus. Just there is somebody who always loves you, and that is the creator who has made you like that. And you are special no matter how you look, no matter how short and fat and ugly and whatever you are still special because you are very sweet, you are very unique, you are very noble. Just love yourself because you are a fantastic, beautiful, loving, caring, sensitive human being, and that will lend beauty to you. आप दूसरों से कितनी अनुभूति, कितने अ, कितना स्नेह, कितना आप दूसरों के लिए सोचते हैं, उससे आप आप में एक सुंदरता आती है। वो जो दैविक सुंदरता होती है, और वो दिव्य सुंदरता आपके आप चाहे काले हो, नाटे हो, मोटे हो, जैसे भी हो, वो आप में दिखता है। आप में से वो एक तेज की तरह वो उज्जवल होता है। तो हमेशा अपने आप को भगवान के साथ बांधे रखिए और कहिए कि भगवान, मैं जैसा भी हूँ, मैं जैसी भी हूँ, भगवान मुझसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं और मैं बहुत सुंदर हूँ, क्योंकि मैंने कभी किसी का दिल नहीं तोड़ा, मैंने कभी किसी को हानि पहुंचाने की कोशिश नहीं की, मैंने सबके लिए भला चाहा, मैंने सबको इतना प्यार दिया, मैंने सबके लिए इतना सोचा, इतना ख्याल किया। तो मैं फिर कैसे कुरूपा हो सकती हूँ? हाउ कैन आई बी अगली व्हेन आई एम सो सेंसिटिव, सो केयरिंग, सो positive, so loving, so kind, so empathic? Love yourself because God does love you. Love it was that made us, and it was love that saved us. Love was God's plan when He made man. God's divine nature is love. Born of God's love, we must love Him. That's why He made us to love Him. But only when we love all men can we partake of God's love. But only when we love all men can we partake of God's love. Love is a wonderful thing. Joy in our hearts it will bring. Where there's true love, there is God. And where there is God, there is love. Christ said love must be the sign by which men will know you for mine. A new commandment I give, love each other as I did. Love it was that made us, and it was love that saved us. Love was God's plan when He made man. God's divine nature is love. Love yourself, and from that divine love with which you love yourself, you know how beautiful you are, how sensitive, how loving, how kind, and how noble you are. Love yourself, and out of that love, you will blossom. Your eyes will glow. Your smile will be so beautiful. Your face will be radiant. Your complexion, no matter what it is, will be beautiful. darkness. The dark complexion is also very beautiful and very unique. It is just like the stars in the dark sky. The dark sky is so important. It gives us rest. It heals us. It replenishes us. And it lends beauty to the stars. Even though you may be dark, you can be as bright as those shining stars. It is that divine love within with which you shine, and your brightness can dim the most beautiful physical creature on earth. I am saying creature because some of them are so rude, so proud, so uh, and their ego is so misplaced, and so your beautiful shine like that of the soft glow of the lamp is much more appealing than the uh, blaring, uh, you know, the glamour of the glamour girls, which sometimes is so detestable because there is no sweetness in them. It's very sad, but somehow they have lost the link to that sweetness, and they don't look sweet anymore, even though they have the best figure, they have the best features, they are perfect in every way, but they are no comparison to you because you are a beautiful, glowing, soft, pure light, like the light of the candle which is lit before God. Always be conscious, increase the power of your spiritual beauty. Do not just don't focus on the physical beauty, focus on your spiritual beauty and feel the love that God has for you. Oh, God is much beyond this superficial physical shell that we have got, which we keep changing in every life. This life I am fair, next life I might be dark, this life I am beautiful, next life I might not be beautiful, but I would rather love people respecting who I am, my personality, my character. That is beautiful because I am beautiful, because I am very kind and very empathic and very supportive, and that is why I'm beautiful. And I am very selfless, and I am not proud at all, and I never dominate and I never suppress others. And well, the list is endless. I am merging with my higher self, always trying to reach upwards, altiera peto. Try to grow higher and higher and higher and grow closer to God till you merge within God, and then see how beautiful you are. Like Abdul Kalam, he was short, he was dark, but he was the sweetest man on earth. Such a beautiful person. Love you, love yourself. You are beautiful. आप बहुत सुंदर हो. अपने आप से प्यार करो, और जैसे हमारे भूतपूर्व प्रेसिडेंट थे अब्दुल कलाम जी, कितने प्यारे थे, कितने प्यारे थे, नाटे थे, रंग भी उनका काला था, पर सब उनसे कितना स्नेह करते थे, कितना प्यार करते थे. सबसे सुंदर थे वो. आप भी वैसे बन जाओ, सुंदर, प्यारे. और कुछ याद मत रखो, अपने शरीर को भूल जाओ, अपनी आत्मा की सुंदरता से प्यार करो और सबसे प्यारे बन जाओ. जय